5 powerful and free AI tools to know in 2025. One. ChatGPT, the all-purpose AI assistant. What is it? ChatGPT is a natural language processing (NLP) model by OpenAI that can write text, answer questions, analyze problems, code, and even brainstorm ideas. Applications: content creation, write articles, reports, scripts, emails, and social media posts. Student support, summarize books and articles, solve exercises, and explain concepts. Coding, debug code, generate code from descriptions, and analyze algorithms. Brainstorming, suggest titles, project ideas, and creative content. Customer support, develop chatbots to respond to user inquiries. Features: free version, access GPT 3.5 for free. GPT-4 requires a subscription. Multilingual, communicate in various languages. Easy access, use it with just a web browser. Why is ChatGPT popular? Fast, accurate, and applicable in various fields. Continuously improving through machine learning. Simple and user-friendly interface. 2. Dall-E, text-to-image generation. What is it? Dall-E is an AI model that generates unique images from text descriptions, prompts. This tool can create images by combining unusual ideas or crafting creative concepts. Applications: graphic design, create posters, logos, and visual content. Digital art, generate digital artworks from abstract ideas. Product design, simulate product designs before physical production. Advertising and marketing, quickly produce visuals for ad campaigns. Features: ability to create high-quality images from simple text prompts. Customizable images tailored to user needs. Free access for generating basic images. Why is Dall-E unique? It produces images that have never existed before. Combines different elements in one image. For example, a fox wearing an astronaut helmet in space. 3. Canva, AI-powered graphic design. What is it? Canva is an online design tool powered by AI that allows users to create professional graphic designs without needing specialized skills. Applications: social media posts, design content for Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. Presentations, create beautiful slides for meetings and seminars. Banners and posters, designed for both online and offline advertising. Video editing, make short clips with simple yet powerful tools. Features: over 50,000 ready-to-use templates. Text-to-image generation for creating visuals from descriptions. AI tools for background removal, color adjustments, and visual effects. Why is Canva great? Easy-to-use interface, perfect for everyone, even without design experience. A massive library of images, fonts, and graphic elements. Collaborative features for team projects. 4. RunwayML, AI-powered video editing and creation. What is it? RunwayML is an AI tool that allows users to edit videos, create animations, and generate visual content with ease. Applications: background removal, no green screen. Remove video backgrounds with a single click, no green screen needed. Text-to-video, generate short videos from text descriptions. Special effects, apply visual effects, face transformations, professional color grading, and unique filters. Teasers and clips, quickly create content for ads or social media. Features: advanced tools with a simple interface. Browser-based, no need for a high-performance system. Free version with basic features for personal projects. 5. HugginFace, build and use AI models, machine learning. What is it? HugginFace is a platform for developing and utilizing machine learning models, allowing users to apply pre-trained models for text, image, and audio processing. Applications: natural language processing, NLP, translation, text summarization, and sentiment analysis. Computer vision, object detection in images. Audio models, speech-to-text and text-to-speech conversion. Chatbot development, create intelligent chatbots for websites and applications. Features: Transformers library for developing deep learning models. Pre-trained models that can be used without additional training. Compatible with Python and TensorFlow.
I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really encourages us. Have a nice day.